Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Dynamite service with explosive results. So you're looking at just a few of the chemicals that I keep on board. Dawn, which is a great detergent. We don't use that as a surfactant for washing with anymore because it contains amines, which are a derivative of ammonia. It does produce a more harmful gas. It also breaks down the bleach and it's not as strong. But Dawn has many, many great reasons. We've got some LA Awesome in there. We use that as our aluminum brightener. We use that in addition to gutter butter, but we use this for removing tiger stripes off of gutters. Then we have 30% vinegar here. This is a very, very strong vinegar. This isn't your average vinegar that you would find like your white distilled vinegar, which we also keep white distilled vinegar up here, which is great for windows and things like that when you're cleaning windows off. Of course, we have some muriatic acid. We've been using that since, I've been using that since the 90s. It has a good use, but it is not safe and effective. We also have F9 Efflow. We carry a full line of front 9 restoration products on board. We have F9 Double Eagle as well as Bark. And we also have some Zepp Purple Industrial Degreaser, which I really like a lot. This is a fantastic surfactant, and I use it for roofs. I don't use that much of it, but it's very sticky and sticks on. That's your Gain Original dishwashing liquid. In here, we've got some of your Gain Original laundry detergent, which is great for house wash mixes. So we also keep some WD-40, different size bags, oxalic acid, white ox. We've got denatured alcohol, xylene, and acetone, as well as some wipes. We keep a spare pump in there, as well as a full set of tools. So there's lots and lots of little things that you want to keep on board so that you're ready. We're going to be shooting a roof this morning, and I want to show you what that looks like. And we're going to be using the North Star system here. I have put on 100 feet of the 5/8 Flexzilla, which allows me to stretch much further. It runs off a deep cycle marine battery. This is a small little puny 4-gallon-a-minute bleach pump. We will be upgrading the system soon, but for right now, this little thing on wheels is a great little money maker. The only problem is the 13-gallon capacity holding tank, which you will have to refill quite frequently. I did put on a Schedule 80 lance with an Uter trigger gun, and just simply fasten those down like that and make a nice smooth cut on those. I'll show you what the handle's like, and then you put a little quick connect on the end of there, and you're sort of good to go. So I'll show you what those handles look like when you order that Flexzilla Pro. Those are what the handles look like there. So you're going to pop these off, which are completely field repairable. You can pop these on any other hose. Flexzilla makes a great product. That's the old 5/8 that we've taken off of there. And then, of course, I use this Milwaukee hand truck. It's a folding hand truck. It's rated for about 150 pounds. It's a great little hand truck to transport some of these guys for my refill, because I will be refilling this this particular machine probably about 5 times on this roof. Yeah, 4 or 5 times. This hand truck is from U-Line. This is rated for 900 pounds. This is an aluminum hand truck that I keep my 55-gallon SH tank on. I never fill that more than 30 gallons because that's over 300 pounds. And that's great for house washing, driveways, and all types of things. But I'll show you what the roof looks like so you can kind of take a look at some of the organics that are up there. And I'll show you basically what my setup looks like. I'm running 100 feet of the Flexzilla hose from their water source. And I did notice on the side of the home that this flashing was really dirty. So I just took a garden hose and dusted some of that off. We'll hit it with some mix. I'll let you see what that looks like if we can get up close, maybe from a different angle. You can just see some dirt and debris that's natural. Let's see if we can get you up there, guys. Sorry about that sun. It's really strong right now. We're right on the water, so it's really tough to see that. But anyway, you get the basic gist. So we're just rinsing that off and sort of getting that prepped so that we can run some, I'll come down here with that North Star system and put a small fan across there, brighten that up, make that look really pretty. So let's take a walk up the ladder and we'll see what we got. This is the first time up the ladder here. So we just want to kind of check out the roof and see what things look like. And obviously this is an area, this particular section here, which is going to go straight onto the grass. So we want to be really conscientious of keeping our grass nice and wet. The rest of the house has gutters all the way around the home. and those gutters are strategically located. So we will cover up all of our vent pipes. You can see that we've got some vent pipes, and there's a thing that I like to refer to as stove piping. If you hit those vent pipes with SH, they're gonna turn a blackish brown, depending on how strong your mix is. And it looks really, really ugly. Some places it looks kind of cool because you have sort of a sand color or tan color, so it almost looks like sticks, but I don't like to change anything on a homeowner's property and hope that they'll be good with it. So what I do is I cover those with a Ziploc bag, and I'll just show you what that pipe looks like, what the vent looks like. This is what the vent looks like. And I'll cover that with a Ziploc bag and I'll tie it. There's a gallon Ziploc bags, and that prevents that from getting really, really nasty. If we come over here, you can kind of see what they have. They've got a flat roof with some discoloration, and fortunately they have gutter guards there. So we're gonna take some before pictures. You can see what the staining looks like in through here, and we'll make this roof look really good. You can see how black it is over here and over here, and I'll shoot some after pictures and an after video so you guys can sort of take a look what that looks like. But you can see sort of what we're up against here today. Should be a relatively easy shoot, and we do have heavy rains coming, so we will not be rinsing this roof. We're gonna let the solution sit on there and really do its thing, and that way we don't burn up too much of the grass. And we've got some torrential rains coming, so that will, you know, if it's brown, it's coming down. If it's black, you're coming back. So make sure that you don't leave any black up here when you decide not to rinse a roof. Now, I haven't got into this cleaning process yet, and I may decide that I may need to rinse this roof. So it's sort of a case-by-case situation. Right now, my game plan is to not rinse. We shall see what happens once I get into the cleaning process, but you can kind of take a look at the roof there, and you can see what the staining looks like in through there, and of course what the staining looks like in through there. So everybody have a great day. Keep cleaning. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Bye-bye.